Hello everyone, how are you doing? In this tutorial, I will show you how to adjust the screen brightness on your Windows 11 monitor. If you're using a laptop, the easiest way to adjust the brightness is by using the brightness buttons on your keyboard. These buttons are usually located near the top of the keyboard. Look for a sun icon with an arrow pointing up or down. Press the button with the upward arrow to increase brightness or the downward arrow to decrease brightness. If you're not sure which keys to use, check your laptop's user manual or the manufacturer's website. If you prefer to adjust the brightness through the settings menu, open the search menu by clicking on the magnifying glass icon on your taskbar. Type in settings and select the best result. Once the settings window opens, click on the system option. If you don't see the system option right away, you may need to select the home icon in the top left corner and then choose System from the list. On the System page, select Display from the options on the right side. Under the Brightness and Color section, you will see a brightness slider. Move the slider to the right to increase brightness or to the left to decrease brightness. Another way to adjust brightness is through the Control panel. Open the search menu again and type in Control Panel. Select the best match. In the Control Panel window, change the view by option to large icons by selecting the drop-down in the top right corner. Then click on Power Options. On the Power Options page, look for the Screen Brightness slider at the bottom. If you don't see it, click on Show Additional Plans to expand more options. Use the slider to adjust the brightness. If you're using a desktop computer with an external monitor, you can adjust the brightness directly on the monitor. Look for physical buttons on the monitor, usually located on the front, side, or bottom edge. Press the menu button to access the on-screen display menu. Use the arrow buttons to navigate to the brightness option, then use the buttons to increase or decrease the brightness. These methods should help you adjust the brightness on your Windows 11 monitor. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Goodbye.